Hey everyone, I'm going to share with you guys a recent makeup look I did for a photo shoot with Pink Box Donuts.
Alright, let's start with a fresh face. I like to apply my strobe cream from MAC Cosmetics. This product instantly illuminates, hydrates, and preps the skin for makeup. Next, I'm applying my Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation from MAC Cosmetics with my MAC brush number 170. This brush is incredible. It's a synthetic rounded slant brush. It's rounded and slightly domed, and it also has densely packed, luxurious soft synthetic fibers, which makes this brush ideal for applying, buffing out, and blending liquid and cream foundations, leaving a smooth, even finish. Once the foundation is applied flawlessly, it's time to add dimension. First off, let's highlight. I like to apply a little bit of Pro Longwear concealer that's at least 1 to 2 shades lighter than my foundation. I'm going to simply apply under my eyes, on top of the bridge of my nose, between my brows, and a little bit under my nose and chin. The golden rule here is you want to focus on the places the sun would hit. I use the same brush to blend and buff the concealer using my MAC brush number 170. Then use any powder brush to dust away any fallouts. To contour, I like to use my bronzer in Refined Golden from MAC Cosmetics using my MAC brush number 129S. This brush is a synthetic powder and blush brush. I like to apply my bronzer on my cheekbones to bring out some structure and along my hairline to contour my forehead. To finalize the face, I like to gently dust Soft and Gentle in the mineralized skin finish powder from MAC Cosmetics over the areas I highlighted. Again, those areas are going to be on the upper cheekbones, bridge of the nose, between the brows, under the nose, and on top of the lips.
If you're enjoying this video, click the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel.
Moving along, I like to fill my brows with my MAC eyeshadow in Brune. It's a perfect matte brown eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this product with my small angled brush number 263 from MAC Cosmetics. The secret here is to add color gently on the brows by using soft sweeping motions and following the natural shape of your brow. It's all about enhancing the most natural way. To perfect the brows, I use my MAC brush number 195, which is a synthetic concealer face brush, and I like to contour my brows by using a little bit of my Pro Longwear concealer around the brows. You want to simply frame the brows to make it crisp and polished. It also makes you look like you have fresh microbladed eyebrows. For my eyelids, I'm using my MAC brush number 224, which is the synthetic tapered blending brush, to add some dimension with my MAC iridescent powder loose powder in golden bronze. It's the perfect color to add natural radiance and that JLo glow. This product is easy to use and super easy to blend out. Now, I use MAC brush number 239 synthetic shader brush to dust a little bit of that color on the bottom lash line to help brighten up those eyes. When it comes to choosing your lip color, have fun. My favorite lipsticks are usually in the pink tones, peachy tones, and nude tones. And to be honest, I usually mix two lipsticks to make my perfect color depending on my mood that day. And the final touch is my lashes. I love adding a pair of wispy strip lashes to add that extra dimension to the eyes. At the end of the day, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty, and I like to choose neutral tones because it brings out your inner glow.
I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and we'll catch you in the next video.